Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to the gated community of Springfarm Estate, St. James. Here you'll find this beautifully designed Mediterranean estate home that sits on 1.33 acres of land and has floor space of 6,500 square feet. Some features of this remarkable home includes patio area, nicely laid out office space, living and dining, bar, kitchen with eating area, powder room, lounge area, ensuite bedrooms with ceiling fans, master bedroom with French door and balcony access, and much more. The house wraps around the pool and jacuzzi, which are a part of the grand courtyard, which showcases the Mediterranean vibe. The grounds are exquisitely manicured with a variety of fruit trees and tropical plants that flows towards the ocean. The house is turnkey and kept in immaculate condition. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2.9 million, or Jamaican $446.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.